Whiten your feet, hands, armpits, neck, and face with this home remedy that dermatologists don't want you to know. Bookmark this video so you don't lose it. For this home remedy, we will need 2 tablespoons of baking soda, which is an anti-inflammatory. We also need a lemon. This we cut in half. We only need the juice of a lemon in addition to the fact that lemon is antibacterial. In other words, apart from whitening the skin, these ingredients can cleanse, soothe, moisturize, and eliminate skin redness. Now we mix these 2 ingredients until they are completely integrated. This exfoliant, in addition to lightening the skin, helps to eliminate sunspots and reduce acne. Clean the part where you want to whiten, then apply our mixture and leave in for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, rinse with warm water. You can repeat this process twice a week for even better results. If you want more skincare recipes, type, "Yes, I need more." Thank you very much.